This year, we're changing the show to the Food Service Industry Expo. It is the largest hospitality trade event and food service event in the UK. This year, we've got over 15,000 people walking through the door.
And look, I think there's three main things that we get out of being here. The first is to understand what our competitors are up to. Second is obviously to see our customers, which is fantastic. And the third thing is this is a very connected ecosystem, and all our partners are here as well.
When I saw this brochure only, I was very much mesmerized.
We've been here all day. We've come here actually before in the past, and it's just non-stop conversations. It gets us in front of so many different businesses in the hospitality industry.
It's a great show for networking. It's great to speak to people, learn about the trade, but also find opportunities to expand your business into different areas you may not have thought.
It's just a fantastic opportunity to kind of meet people within the industry, talk about their businesses, and it's an amazing return on investment.
Many people want to know about us rather than to sell something. So it's pretty interesting.
It will really help you to open a food business. If you really want to open a business, you should come here.
It's a rare opportunity to get all of the hospitality tech, people, suppliers, operators, all in one room where you can mingle and network.
Thank you so much to our sponsors, our amazing exhibitors and our visitors for making this the biggest show that Fortum has ever run.